What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's Little Black Star, aka DBS. So you probably will see me with the same top. My child is sleeping, so this is the time that I can take to record, pre-record. So if that bothers you, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. But today, let's contour my nose. So I already concealed my eyebrows, as you saw in the previous video. So right now, let's contour my nose, and let's make it. I'm Dominican, so we don't have no thin eyebrows, right? So thin eyebrows, thin nose. So let's make it thin. And I love my nose. Don't get it twisted. This is my identity. This is what identifies me and my eyebrows. But for this video, just to be silly, let's contour this nose. I'm going to be using this, I don't know how to pronounce it, xoxo. I don't know how you pronounce it. And I'm going to be using this Hoola Benefit bronzer. This is the bronzer. Okay, so first thing is, let's dip it. So this is how, when I see these makeup gurus doing their makeup, they start off from the top up here. And then based on where you want the thinness, right? So let's try to make it very thin just to see how my nose looks. If even, let's just see. Let's see. Okay. I'm not a makeup guru, so don't come at me saying I'm doing it all wrong. Makeup is an art, right? So everyone has their own perception of makeup, how to wear their makeup. So don't judge. It's not cool. And this out. Here, like from this side, you can see some of it. Go back again. Let me use this brush that came with I mean, this side looks really good. Well, not really good, but it looks more contour as opposed to this side. What am I doing wrong? I mean, I've done it before, but with a different brush though. This sucks. Wow, since that didn't go well, let's just highlight my nose, shall we? So I'm gonna use this glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And let's go with Sunburst. I'm gonna use my fingers. My fingers are clean. Tip of the nose, and let me just do the bridge of my nose. Do a little bit more. Huh? And the what is it? The Cupid's bow? Cupid's bow? Okay, alone. Yes, sir. Super highlighted. A super highlighted nose. Okay, I think that's this video. Contouring my nose. I mean, if you look at the before, and I'm really mad at myself because I didn't take a picture before. But if you look at the beginning of the video and now, look at this, a simple thing. Contour your nose, highlight, that's it, you're good to go. You don't even have to wear makeup if you don't want to. You don't. And if you do, you don't want to cake up, just do what I always do, eyeliner, top, bottom, mascara, and you're good to go. That completes this video. If you guys like this video, again, this is purely just being silly. If you like it, please give this video a like. If you want to see more videos, make sure you let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe to my channel if you aren't, and if you are, thank you so much. I appreciate you for all the support, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.